I'm interested actually, this, because India, Pakistan, cricket, sportsmanship, patriotism, they all come bucketed together very often in a conversation, or that conversation will look like, pehle it was like, listen, sport is different from what happens on the border, and हम लोग एक sportsman like feeling, एक cooperative उसके साथ करेंगे. It seems like the mood is kind of shifted now, where there is reflective responsibility on the sports people also to be like कि यार देखो, अगर हम पिछले साल ही उनसे वॉर में लड़ रहे हैं एंड देयर आर पीपल डाइंग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, मे बी वी शुड नॉट बी दिस फ्रेंडली, एंड ऑन बोथ साइड्स. इज दैट परफॉर्म्ड और इज दैट रियल? लाइक ऑन द ग्राउंड, इज दैट टेंशन?
I guess now it is.
Now it is.
Now it is.
And it's a new phenomena.
I mean, this has obviously happened. Asia Cup ही था जब, after the last incident.
In May 2025, right? May 2025 में, हाँ, उसके बाद, हाँ.
तो एशिया कप ही था,
हाँ.
जहाँ पे it's really become at loggerheads, because उसके पहले things had moved in a way where there was respect, and you obviously want to respect the game. But, now all of this has completely come under the ambit of the government. And I'm not privy to it, but obviously एक sports code है. And you're also part of sporting bodies. And as a country which is, almost the flag bearer of this game, you've got bigger responsibilities too. So there is obviously some code, a message that would have gotten to the team would have decided. But Asia Cup में देख के ये लगा that now it is खेला, वापस गए, बात खत्म. बस ट्रॉफी, मतलब खैर नहीं आई, कोई नहीं, ट्रॉफी को अपने पास रख ले, उससे उनकी थोड़ी हो जाती है.
Alright, sure.
So but yeah,
which also is such an interesting thing, trophy रख लेना. So like this is palpable tension because you're on the ground.
यार मैंने actually वो tournament cover किया नहीं. That was with another network, तो मैं था नहीं, but obviously it was palpable tension.
Very interesting.
And yeah, I mean, you are your country, right? I mean, you're thinking of your own countrymen. You are deeply, involved in that feeling.
Yeah, India's going through something unique in that way, bro.
So yeah, you almost become out there ki, this is now our time to show that we too will, on the sporting field, do our best. I always say do your best, yaar, because it is still that sport, right? मेरी आंखों में अगर कोई मैच अगर हार भी जाते तो रिस्पेक्ट कम नहीं हो जाती, या ये नहीं हो जाता कि these guys are not our best guys, or these guys did not try our best. They had an opportunity, they did their best, they won all the 3 matches. That's how I would like to see every single time they go out there. And even other sports, again, the official understanding of it is hard. We're also going to be now hosting the Commonwealth Games. But अभी काफ़ी clear हो गया कि हम वो इंडिया नहीं आएंगे, हम वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे, न्यूट्रल वेन्यू पे खेलेंगे और सिर्फ ये ग्लोबल टूर्नामेंट्स में खेलेंगे. But in other sports as well, if we, and this is just my thought, if we start boycotting, then everybody starts boycotting. फिर अगर आपको कहीं same tournament में other disciplines, other sports, if you end up sharing a group or being in the same group or competing against them, if our athletes and all sports people maybe boycott all the games, then you're the one who will have to forfeit, right? And कितनी और sports में time is of the essence. आप अपने peak पे हो, you're probably, this is your best chance to be in it for a medal and all of that. So is that the right decision? I think it's a completely personal decision. If any athlete wants to, इसमें किसी को कोसने वाली,
it's a tricky situation.
It's a very tricky situation.
I understand.
I mean, it could be like you're at a big global meet, whether you are at the Commonwealth Games or maybe you're at the Asian Games, and as an athlete, it's maybe your last or your first time. बहुत मुश्किल करके आपने qualify किया है, and अब आपका match एक किसी पाकिस्तान के athlete से. So if you're saying that you boycott, there will be a sentiment, right, कि good आपने किया, but आपने पूरी जिंदगी उसी चीज़ के लिए मेहनत की थी,
right,
उस मेडल के लिए मेहनत की है,
right.
Your best effort would be कि आप जी जान लगा दो
और
उसको जीतने की कोशिश करो, और स्पोर्ट खेलो,
right.
But वही जो दोस्ती यारी थी, you've obviously drawn that line there,
right.
And rest, I mean, we know our country is in very capable hands.
Yeah, right.
Our armed forces again did what they do best,
right.
And yeah, so it's a bit of a tricky situation,
yeah,
but I think it's being handled well.
No, I get it. And I mean, I understand because you're also privy to a lot of like this world and there is so much stake here. This is not a simple conversation by any stretch.
Yeah. And I think we are very underqualified. हम एक बड़े emotional level पे बात कर सकते हैं.
सही बात है,
अपने उस पे बात कर सकते हैं. But इसमें there are probably a lot of
Ifs and buts that
different
we don't
ifs and
know.
buts and factors जो हमें पता ही नहीं है.
Right,
It's
right,
not कि हम कह नहीं रहे, शायद हमें पता ही नहीं है.
नहीं सही बात है भाई. और I feel like it's, look, for media purposes this is a sentimental topic to talk about because people listening on the other side also don't care about the extent of context. तो मेरे को पता है कि ये conversation थोड़ी ऐसी है. I just wanted to understand if, like, for instance, stuff that happens here in Mumbai in the film industry. You don't know if that happened for promotion or if that happened really. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I
sometimes
just read and hear this yaar, and I find it, मतलब, if
It's funny.
all of it is true, then it's amazing.
if all of this is true,
मतलब
it's amazing. If all of this is
I
false,
just
it's
want to
amazing.
believe.
Yeah.
I want to stay naive.
Exactly, boss. I think people want to believe this shit.
No, I want to believe कि ये सब नहीं होता.
अच्छा ये नहीं होता.
I want to believe कि यार नहीं, you know, जो think like, अरे यार ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है.
Yeah, right.
So I want to believe कि नहीं हो सकता है ऐसा, मतलब people can't be that scheming.
Not just that, I feel like audience underestimates. अच्छा मैं एक celebrity हूँ hypothetically, ठीक है? I am followed by millions of people. If I'm going to do something stupid, I'm not going to do it in public. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I have a girlfriend and a female singer invites me on stage and now it obviously means this is platonic. Otherwise, I would not be doing this in public. You know the event I'm referring to.
No.
Okay, don't worry about it. You don't have to find out. But the point is that sometimes a lot of it is just performance, then edited and pushed in a certain way. And one has to wonder if...
And the people involved are the ones who planned this.
No, I don't think so. Sometimes,
Okay.
maybe sometimes for movie promotions. I don't think... Can people be that scheming कि वो...
See, let me first say, मेरे को पता नहीं है किस चीज की बात कर रहे हो.
टेंशन में हो भाई जतिन भाई आप.
नहीं मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ, but I actually don't know. ये तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा मेरे को.
Maybe I was talking about this Tara Sutaria Veer Paharia thing. I don't know if that came on your screen. I don't care about it either. But it just is on my screen. एंड मैं छोड़ो यार, मेरी बीवी तो इंडियन है भी नहीं, वो बेचारी, उसका तो एल्गोरिथम भी इंडियन नहीं है, उसके भी स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है, वो मेरे से कह रही है हुज तारा सुतारिया. मैं उसे क्या बताऊं हुज तारा सुतारिया और ये क्या हुआ इंसिडेंट. देयर वाज सम क्लिप ऑफ, I was like, don't bother with this. You're like, we are better than like celebrity gossip, girl. तो फिर वो, but there was a video of her going up on stage with AP Dillon, who she had a song with. She was a actress in that song, and so they, I think, sang that song, and they were kind of close on stage while that was happening. While Veer, who's Tara's boyfriend, was watching.
Okay.
Why do I know this, boss? Fuck. And then the clips came out. Ki Veer is very unhappy. Then this the PR cycle began, blah 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 blah. And so my reference into the cricket world was, ये जो tensions होती हैं, what we hear of Surya's statement after the last tournament also, are those performed or are those felt? Because that's
I cricket है थोड़ा innocent यार.
हाँ मैं मान सकता हूँ भाई, वो सारी जिंदगी तो फील्ड पे निकाली है इन्होंने.
हम तो मतलब यहाँ तो लोग अब पता नहीं, it's because it's sport, right? And sport is real, no?
Yeah.
I'm not saying people who perform on the screen are not real. Their lives are real and their stories are real. लेकिन cricket as a sport also is not scripted. So यहाँ तो लोग 2 बार सोचते हैं कुछ बोलने से पहले, instead of staging anything. So most of the things that are said, I would like to believe, are felt. They're not just said for the heck of it.
Right. Yeah. So you think India is going into the T20 World Cup as favorites, and the contesting teams that you think could give us a strong fight, conditions ceteris paribus, अगर हम conditions ना move करें तो is Australia, England?
यार सबके सब resident Indians बने हुए हैं.
हाँ right, exactly. सारी टीमों में तो हम ही हैं.
तीन महीने यहाँ खेलते हैं IPL में. So जो भी टीम आती है उसमें 6-7 तो इतना क्रिकेट यहाँ पे खेले हुए हैं.
राइट.
IPL में आप खेल रहे हो 14 मैच तो खेल ही रहे हो, जो अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं, आपस में खेल रहे हो नेट्स में. सो इंडिया की कंडीशन हैव बिकम अ बिट यूनिक, कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया वालों को भी इंडिया की कंडीशन बहुत अच्छे से पता है, इंग्लैंड को भी काफ़ी अच्छे से पता है, न्यूजीलैंड को पता है, साउथ अफ्रीका को पता है, क्योंकि इतने प्लेयर्स इतना क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. सो एंड दीज कंडीशंस, आई थिंक द वन बिग चैलेंज इज गोइंग टू बी ड्यू, बिकॉज वी आर प्लेइंग इन Feb-March, तो टॉस बहुत क्रूशल हो जाएगा. बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ दीज टीम्स, यू नो, अब हर जगह इतना T20 क्रिकेट ये लोग खेलते हैं. एंड साउथ अफ्रीका के प्लेयर्स आ रहे होंगे अपना SA20 खेल के, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के प्लेयर्स बिग बैश खेल के आ रहे हैं, न्यूजीलैंड आर गोइंग टू बी प्लेइंग इंडिया में अभी 5 T20s की सीरीज, साउथ अफ्रीका अभी खेल के गई है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ देम आर गोइंग टू ऑलरेडी बी इन दैट T20 मोड. तो उसमें एंड विकेट्स यू आर होपिंग, यू नो, T20 क्रिकेट है तो विकेट्स आपको मोस्टली फ्लैट मिलती हैं, बिकॉज यू वांट कि अच्छे रन बने, अच्छा कॉन्टेस्ट हो, उतना ज़्यादा टर्न या स्लो पिचेस नहीं होंगी जैसी दुबई में होती हैं वेस्ट इंडीज में. सो एनीवेयर इफ यू लूज द टॉस और आपकी शाम को बॉलिंग आ गई. रिमेंबर द 2016 वर्ल्ड कप, हम फेवरेट्स तो सॉलिड उसमें भी थे, लेकिन जो सेमीफाइनल हम हारे, आई रिमेंबर डूइंग द पोस्ट शो, मतलब जो जूते डाले थे वो, ऐसा नहीं कह रहा कि मैं हील वाले जूते डालता हूँ लेकिन वो जो छोटी हील होती है ना, मन बड़ा करता है कभी कभी, लेकिन उसके ऊपर तक आ गया था पानी. वो जो ब्राउन लेदर है उसको भी इतना पानी निचोड़ के ऊपर आ गया था. इट वाज वेट. द आउटफील्ड ऐसा लग रहा था किसी ने बाल्टियां उड़ेल रखी हैं. अब उसके बीच में आप डिफेंड नहीं कर पाए. सो द टॉस कैन प्ले अ बिग फैक्टर ऑन, यू वुड बी होपिंग दैट ऑन बिग मैच डेज ड्यू आएगी, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ विंटर एंड एक्सटेंडेड विंटर लग रहा है.
ब्रो अभी तो हमने बिल्कुल सरफेस स्क्रैच किया है. इफ यू वांट टू नो कि क्या मस्त इंटरेस्टिंग इनोवेटिव यूनिक कॉन्वर्सेशन, विच वाज द फुल कॉन्वर्सेशन, तो आप जाओ मेन चैनल पे और क्लिक करो यहाँ